Have you ever found yourself dreaming of that next big step for your business? Perhaps it's expanding into a new market, investing in cutting-edge equipment, or simply needing some breathing room to manage cash flow during a growth spurt. And then the inevitable question pops into your head. How much capital can I realistically get to make this happen? If you're exploring business loan options, especially with a platform like Lendio, one of the first things you're probably wondering is, what is the maximum business loan you can get through Lendio? It's a crucial question, and the answer, as with most things in the world of business financing, isn't a simple, single number. Instead, it's a dynamic range influenced by a multitude of factors, all designed to ensure that the loan is a good fit for your specific business and its financial health. Let's break down the various types of business loans available through Lendio and explore the general maximums associated with each. Keep in mind that these are general figures, and your specific eligibility will depend on your business's unique profile. First up, let's talk about SBA loans. The Small Business Administration, or SBA, offers government-backed loans designed to help small businesses access capital with more favorable terms than traditional loans. These are often considered the gold standard for many businesses due to their lower interest rates and longer repayment periods. Lendio is a prominent facilitator of SBA loans, connecting businesses with SBA-approved lenders. Within the SBA loan programs, there are a few key types with different maximums. SBA 7A loans. These are the most common and flexible SBA loans. They can be used for a wide range of business purposes, including working capital, equipment purchases, real estate acquisition, and even refinancing existing debt. For a standard SBA 7A loan, the maximum amount you can potentially secure is $5 million. This is a significant sum, capable of funding major expansion projects, large equipment purchases, or substantial working capital needs. It's important to note that while the maximum is $5 million, the SBA guarantees a portion of the loan, up to 85% for loans up to $150,000 and 75% for loans greater than $150,000, which makes lenders more willing to approve them. SBA 504 loans. These loans are specifically designed for financing major fixed assets, such as purchasing or renovating commercial real estate, or acquiring heavy machinery and equipment. The maximum SBA gross debenture, the SBA's portion of the loan, for a standard 504 project is typically $5 million. However, for eligible energy public policy projects or small manufacturing projects, this can go up to $5.5 million. SBA microloans. As the name suggests, these are smaller loans, typically aimed at startups or very small businesses for working capital, inventory, or equipment purchases. The maximum amount for an SBA microloan is $50,000, although the average loan size is often closer to $13,000. While not a massive amount, it can be absolutely crucial for getting a new business off the ground or for managing short-term needs. Beyond SBA loans, Lendio offers access to a variety of conventional business loan products from its partner lenders, each with its own maximums. Term loans. These are perhaps the most straightforward type of business loan, providing a lump sum of capital up front that is repaid with interest over a fixed period. Through Lendio's network, you can typically find term loans ranging anywhere from $5,000 up to $2 million. The exact maximum will depend on the specific lender, your business's financial health, and the intended use of the funds. Business lines of credit. Similar to a credit card, but with potentially higher limits and lower interest rates, a business line of credit provides flexible access to funds up to a set maximum. You only pay interest on the amount you actually draw, making it ideal for managing fluctuating cash flow, covering unexpected expenses, or bridging gaps between projects. Lendio's partners can offer lines of credit up to $250,000, with some unsecured options potentially reaching $5 million. The unsecured lines of credit are generally for businesses with very strong financial profiles. Equipment financing. If your business needs to purchase or lease new machinery, vehicles, or other essential equipment financing can be a dedicated solution. The equipment itself often serves as collateral for the loan, making it accessible even for businesses with less than perfect credit. Through Lendio, you can typically find equipment financing up to $5 million. This type of financing is excellent for businesses looking to expand their operational capacity or upgrade outdated assets without tying up valuable working capital. Business cash advance, merchant cash advance. This is a unique financing option where a lump sum is provided in exchange for a percentage of your future sales or credit card receivables. Repayment are often made daily or weekly, aligning with your revenue cycles. While typically for shorter terms, business cash advances can go up to $2 million through Lendio's network. This option can be appealing for businesses with high credit card sales volume or those needing quick access to capital without traditional collateral. Invoice factoring, accounts receivable financing if your business has a significant amount of outstanding invoices. Invoice factoring allows you to sell those invoices to a third party, the factor, at a discount in exchange for immediate cash. This can significantly improve cash flow. Lendio's partners can offer invoice factoring solutions that provide funding up to $50 million based on the value of your outstanding invoices. Commercial real estate loans. For businesses looking to purchase, renovate, or refinance commercial property, these specialized loans are available. Given the significant investment involved in real estate, these loans naturally have higher maximums. So, when we look at the absolute maximums across all these loan types facilitated by Lendio, you can see that the potential is substantial. While many businesses will be looking for sums in the tens or hundreds of thousands, the possibility of securing $5 million through an SBA 7A or 504 loan, or even up to $50 million with invoice factoring, is very real, depending on the specific product and the strength of your business. It's also worth noting that even if you don't qualify for the absolute maximum loan amount initially, building a positive repayment history with a smaller loan can often open doors to larger funding opportunities in the future. In summary, while Lendio itself doesn't set a hard cap on loan amounts, its vast network of lenders means that a business, depending on its type, financial health, and specific needs, could potentially access business loans ranging from a few $1,000s all the way up to $5 million for SBA loans, $2 million for term loans or cash advances, $5 million for equipment financing and commercial real estate, and an impressive $50 million for invoice factoring. By leveraging Lendio's platform, you gain efficiency, choice, and clarity in your pursuit of business capital, empowering you to secure the maximum funding possible for your entrepreneurial ambitions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.